people. We got some people. Let's go. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. What should we name it? What should we name it? Okay, I will. Wait. Okay, I will do a spin the wheel. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna do a spin the wheel. I will be recording. All right, people, I just got to the spin the wheel, and now I'm gonna add some names. All right, Rainy, Glow, Gloesta, let the viewers decide. Oh, Claudia, Party, and Dottie. All right, let's go. The last one standing is gonna be the name. Ooh. All right. A few more. Oh, I honestly wanted Dottie. Oh well. All right. One more. You guys are gonna decide. All right. This is gonna be so cool. I'm gonna end this video now.